Hi everyone, my name is Nicola Marie and I am here just to give you a quick blurb of who I am and what I started doing 8 months ago and why. So again, I'm Nicola Marie. I taught second and third grade for 8 years in an inner city school, which was awesome. Unfortunately or fortunately, I went through a divorce and I needed to get out of the district that I was working in. And so when I resigned, I was able to find a job with the State Department of Education, where I obtained a position as an education consultant, and I manage an assessment program for 17 schools, 10,000 students. It is a pretty great job, except the fact that I sit behind a desk all day. I have an hour commute, and I'm not finding a lot of purpose in it. I don't jump out of bed every morning excited to go to work, and I don't leave work every day feeling as if I accomplished anything purposeful in my life. And so, I have a wonderful family, an amazing husband, two beautiful girls, and the one piece in my life that's missing is a purposeful career. So 8 months ago, I started exploring network marketing because you see it all over the internet right now. People doing network marketing saying that they become millionaires. So I started to do my research, and actually my best friend is also into network marketing, and she is very successful with it. Actually, I have a couple of friends who are into network marketing. And so I started exploring and learning about it before I jumped into anything. And I said, you know what? The internet is huge right now. This is the age of the digital everything. We buy everything online. We pay our bills online. We do our banking online. Everything is online. And I think network marketing is huge, and I think it's only going to grow even bigger. So I jumped on the opportunity. So here I am 8 months ago. I found a company that I love the products, because when you are in network marketing, excuse me, you do sell a product. And I'm not a sales girl, that's for sure. But it wasn't about the sales for me. I have always been a health nut. I try to eat as healthy as possible. I work out as much as possible. I try to stay fit. I try to stay clean. And I love to take care of my skin. Putting harsh chemicals onto your skin only does more damage. It doesn't give you any long-term results. So when I found a skincare line that was harsh chemical free, certified, bunny certified, which means no animal testing, and it was growing. It was a growing company, it had been around for years, and it was a growing company going international, and I just said, this is it. I loved the products. I loved the mission behind the company. The mission behind the company is empowering women, which most network marketing companies are, about empowering women, but it even went even farther into empowering women in less fortunate countries like Bosnia and India. And these CEOs, these two sisters, or these two friends, I should say, that started this company, they actually take part of the earnings that we make in sales, and it goes to women in these countries, where we don't just give them money, but we actually go over there and train them how to build their own successful companies by doing this network marketing. And it's really awesome to see some of these women who really were living in dirt to now building an amazing opportunity for their whole family. So I loved that mission as well. So there's the purpose behind it. I am empowering women, and I am helping them by giving them an amazing skincare routine, and I am their personal beauty guide. So I'm always helping them, and they come to me for help, which is awesome. And those emails are always the best, when you get the email that says, thank you so much for your help. My skin has never been better. Or we sell professional makeup. That's another one. This makeup has been available for 50 years, but only to professional makeup artists. And it's 100% paraben free, which is unheard of. And it's an amazing, amazing line. So when you have an amazing line and an amazing company, it's easy to share. And there's a lot more to go into network marketing. It's not just about selling. There's a lot more to it. So if you've ever thought about getting into network marketing and you weren't sure if it was for you, if you thought it was a scam, give me a ring, send me a message, and I would be more than happy to let you know exactly what I do and how I do it. And I can't quit my job yet. I've been doing this 8 months. I'm definitely not in a position to quit my job, but I do have a long-term goal of, I'm hoping in 3 years to be able to resign and be a stay-at-home mom working my business from home. I am eager to be able to get my kids on and off the bus every day. I am eager to have my workouts in the afternoon, not in the evening. And I'm also eager to cook dinner for my family every night instead of meal prepping on Sundays. So there are things in my mind that I visualize my life being, at the same time helping women feel beautiful and confident about themselves, and helping them learn how to take care of their skin and apply makeup. It's actually a really cool gig. So if you're interested, let me know. I'm here if you have any questions. All right, have a great one. Bye-bye.